Okay, just in case there are some people out there that think that a shoot like this is a clean shoot, I've got to address it. I've seen more and more videos like this, and so I've got to say something because maybe people don't know. The only reason to use lethal force, no matter what state you're in, is permissible, to the best of my knowledge, is to save human life. So if you're working to save your own life, or you see someone else in immediate danger where they may be saving their own life, there's a lot of lawyers speak and courts speak about it. But to make it really simple, okay, if you are going to use lethal force, you need to be trying to save someone's life, your life, or in most cases, the life of someone else in your immediate environment from imminent danger, imminent loss of life. If someone's got a baseball bat, they're about to hit them in the head. It's got to be imminent, unavoidable danger. That is the only time that you for sure won't spend the rest of your life in prison for the utilization of lethal force. So when I see a shoot like this, protecting your property, not usually permissible. Protecting your residence, questionable, but it would really behoove people to take use of force training within your state when, in addition to your tactical training and familiarization training with regards to your firearm or whatever lethal force options you're using or intend to use in order to save your life or save the life of someone else. The training you get behind the tools you bring to your life is really another level of protection that you really should focus on. So you know when to use those things and how to use those things so you don't lose the fight after the fight. These are some really important considerations. People ask me what kind of gun they should get. People ask me what kind of weapons, kind of this and that. What's most important, most of the technology's there. Most things go boom. Most things do what they're purchased to do. But what you need to know is how you can come home at the end of your life to your families and your loved ones. I was a Marine. I've never been to prison. But what I can tell you is going on a deployment in some ways is like a death, because you watch everyone you love move on without you in most cases. Going to prison for any kind of murder or manslaughter would be the same type of thing, I imagine. You're going to watch your girl move on, your kids move on, everyone you know move on, and you're going to die a slow death in prison if you don't do this properly. So understand use of force, all of the laws having to do with this relative to your state. Join us at protectornation.com. Learn everything about personal protection. ByronRodgers, protector by nature and by trade. ByronRodgers, protector by nature and by trade. Man of peace. I love you. Boom. Boom! It's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.